Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make money selling shirts on Amazon with Merch by Amazon. Let's get started. What is Merch by Amazon? It is a print-on-demand service where you upload designs to products and they will appear on Amazon for purchase. To get started with Merch by Amazon, you'll need to go to their website at merch.amazon.com. Even though Merch by Amazon is free to join, you will still need to request an invitation. You will need to complete an application and submit it. Most people who request an invitation get accepted. If you are one of those few that don't, try again. Before you get started, you might want to know the pros and cons. This is my pros and cons list for Merch. There are so many good things about it. It's free, there's no inventory, everything is printed when the customer buys it. Amazon does most of the work. You upload your design, and when it is purchased, Amazon takes care of the printing, shipping, and customer service. Amazon offers Prime shipping. Amazon has the best organic traffic out of all the print-on-demand services I've ever used. Merch is pretty new, which means there is a lot of potential as well. Amazon could add a bunch of new products, they could sell to other markets, and so on. Some of the not so good things about Merch is that there is a lot of competition now. More and more people are getting accepted, which means the competition is better than it used to be. Merch is slow to get started. You can't just add 1,000 shirts on your first day. Merch is very strict about trademark and infringement as well, more strict than any of the print-on-demand services I've used before. Amazon takes trademark and copyrights very seriously. Many accounts have been closed because of trademark violations. Another thing that is different from other sites is that Amazon will remove your designs if they don't sell within 180 days. You also don't get any information on who's buying your products. There's no way to email them or communicate with them. And lastly, Merch is still pretty new, so Amazon is still working out the bugs. Terms of service can be updated or changed, which means you'll need to update your listings occasionally. One thing very unique to Merch by Amazon is their tier system. Every new seller starts off on tier 10. What that means is that you only have 10 open spots for your products. In order to move to the next tier, you will need to get 10 sales. Once you get 10 sales, you'll move to tier 25, which means you'll have 25 open spots, or 15 more. Get 15 more sales, or 25 total sales, and you'll move up again. The higher the tier, the more open spots you'll have to create products. Some Merch sellers are up to 25,000 tier or higher. Currently, Merch by Amazon only has 6 products: a standard shirt, premium shirt, long sleeve, sweatshirt, hoodie, and pop socket. The standard and premium shirts have 20 different colors. The long sleeve sweatshirts and hoodies have only 5 colors right now. Pricing is something that can change over time, but currently the prices you'll need to sell these products, these are the prices you'll need to sell these products between $3 and $4 of royalty. What kind of designs do well on Merch? These are some of them. A few years ago, it was easy to sell a shirt with just simple text on it. With all the new competition, plain text shirts don't sell as well anymore. A combination of bold text and nice graphics seem to do well. One way to stand out from the competition is to have better artwork. Consistency. Merch by Amazon is not a get-rich-quick business. If that is what you're looking for, then you'll need to look somewhere else. Getting to the higher tiers and bigger payouts will take months of constantly adding new products. Patience and consistency are key to making these sales on Merch. I suggest uploading new products every day. This is the typical growth of a Merch by Amazon seller. The first 3 to 4 months will be really slow. That's mainly because you'll only have a few products in the beginning. As you sell more and get to the higher tiers, you'll be able to upload more, which will give you more chances to sell. Put in your best designs in the beginning, learn what sells, and do more of that. Quarter 4. Sales are the best in Q4, which is October through December. Sales typically are 2 to 3 times better during these months than any other months of the year. People love buying stuff during these months, Halloween costumes and Christmas gifts. A really nice thing about Merch by Amazon is the community. You'll find lots and lots of videos on YouTube, merch Facebook groups, and Instagrammers who are willing to help you make money or learn to make money on Amazon. In fact, my Instagram account is all about helping you succeed on Merch by Amazon. I have trends, tips, how to draw posts, and much more. You can follow me on Instagram at Detour Shirts. That is it for this video. I hope this video has helped you know how you can make money selling shirts on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.